These are the people I want to call up here.
Gilbert Rubihayo amanyisa abazire bona ngo bamara kwerekesa bakashomesa abana babo nibija ko babombekera nyensi nungi
kimfwayo mu laboratoire esatiye mu nempalie mu Luseita omukazi mu laboratoire ekitekimu nekaito laboratoire mu kuguru oitukarora n'urugamo nojja gusomesa abana nibakoraki nibarugamo n'abasoma ekwanse bidires n'ebyo kutunga.
Ekyombe eki kimazireho biliyoni 3 kandi aba Spark Worldwide USA abahweriro kwombeka ekyombe eki nibajangu nikija kwera kutungura ebyo bwegise aha Rangers Hillside Primary School.
We have rescued over 11,000 children and raised them. I tell you this, I am known on television all over the world. And people say, wow, that's amazing. But it all began here in this village. This is where it all began 25 years ago.
Sometimes children sit similar exams, be it in Kampala or in the most remote areas of town. But also they compete for the same jobs. And I believe that if we can have certain facilities in Kampala, we can put the same facilities anywhere in this country.
With the dream of my sister to be able to build a school for the kids in the community. She rescues babies here, and we have babies that we take care of, and they've grown up, and we wanted a school that was good for our kids. But we didn't want one just for our kids. We wanted one for all of the kids in the community. So we built the Legacy School.
Weperas Charigonza mukuru w'ebyo bwegeso mu Chenjejo district ahirira aha yahiga abazire ba Chenjejo ngo bakorese mu gishago cyombe kweki nishomereri okushomesa abana babo okubingo butamanya mu Chenjejo district.
Tuleta abana baitura mu isomero ryaitu tutagenda kunyindiriza isomero ryaitu kuitura abana barugira mu district yazindi. Mujira bazaire
Mampura.
Yes. Tutekeyo akataita kabakutusaba kutekayo choki isomero ryaitu koleki.
At the scent of water, it will sprout again and produce fruit.
Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.